Okay, so what you guys did, the way you guys solved this is you use long division. So you did 305 divided by 2. 2 times what will get you close to 3 without going over it?
1.
1. What did you do after this?
Put a 2 under 3.
You multiplied first, and then you put it here. 2 times 1 is 2, and you put it here. What did you do after that?
Subtracted.
Subtracted and got 1. What's next?
Bring the 0 down.
Bring the 0 down. 2 times what will give you 10?
5.
Then you multiply. What did you do next?
Subtract.
Subtract. Then what?
Bring the 5.
Yes. 2 times what will get you close to 5?
2.
2. Then you multiplied and got 4 and got 1. I'm going to pause here. This is called my remainder. So I'm going to write my answer like this. 152. And then my remainder is 1. And you put it over what you divided by. So it's 152 and a half. Some of you guys just put 152.5. We're going to write it like this for Algebra 2, okay? All right, we're going to apply this elementary concept to Algebra 2 now. So we're going to do this first problem on your page. Oh, sorry. All right, guys, this is how we're going to set it up. Follow along.
That was a big jump.
This is how we set it up. All right, look. R times what is R cubed?
3.
R squared.
R squared.
R squared.
I said R.
From here, we're going to multiply. R times R squared is R cubed. We're also going to multiply it by the 3. 3 times R squared is 3R squared. Let's go back to our elementary example. We did 2 times 1 and we put it here, correct? What did we do after this step?
Subtract.
Subtract. We're going to do the same thing here. Subtract.
Oh.
Those cancel. -4 minus 3 is -7. And then we have the R squared attached to it. We're just going to bring down the rest. We're going to repeat the process. R times what is -7R squared?
-7R.
-7R. Now we multiply. R times -7R is -7R squared. 3 times -7R is -21R. From here, don't we subtract?
Yes.
If you subtract a negative, it becomes positive. If you
Yes.
subtract a negative, it becomes positive. From here on out, I'm just going to call this step change the sign. Okay? You change the sign. Those cancel out. -7 plus 7 is just 0. -26R plus 21R is -5R. Bring down the next thing. Guys, this step right here, they're always going to cancel out. If they don't cancel out, we did something wrong. Okay. R times what is -5R? Good. Now we multiply. R times -5 is -5R. 3 times -5 is -15. What do we do? Change the sign. So addition, addition. That cancels out. -15 plus 15, that cancels out. So I don't have a remainder. This is my answer up here.
Wow.
Yes.
So if there was a remainder, you would just put the half thing.
You would put the remainder over what you divided by. Okay?
So if it was like remainder of 1, it would be 1 over R plus 3.
Yes.
Exactly. And we'll see that in the next example. All right, next example. Set it up, guys.
Wait. Which one was that?
This is the last one on your paper.
Number 10.
Really?
Set it up. Okay, follow along. 3a times what is 3a cubed?
A squared.
There we go. Now we multiply. 3a times a squared is 3a cubed. Do the 2 now. 2 times a squared is 2a squared. What do we do now? Subtract. I'm going to call that change the sign. So those will cancel out. -7 minus 2 is -9a squared. And bring down the rest. Two times a squared is 2a squared, and then after this step you always subtract. That's why it's a minus 2a squared. Okay, next. 3a times what is -9a squared?
-3a.
-3a. So now we multiply. 3a times -3a is -9a squared. 2 times -3a is -6a. What do we do after this step?
Change the sign.
So now these are plus. And that cancels out. -30a plus 6a is -24a. And you can bring down the rest. All right? 3a times what is -24a? -8. So we're going to multiply these two, and you get -24a. Multiply these two, and you get -24. Oh, no, sorry, -16. Okay, from here, you change the sign, and those cancel out. Your remainder is -5. Okay, so here's your answer. What's at the top? And your remainder is negative, so I'm going to have a minus sign. And you have 3a plus 2 in the denominator. Any questions on this? Okay, flip it over. We're going to do some where you're missing a term. This is the last one. So guys, go ahead and set this one up. You're dividing 36w cubed minus 27w squared minus 6, and you're dividing it by 4w minus 3. Notice you're missing the w term. It goes from 3 to, it's missing the linear term, and then it has the constant. Okay? The process is the same though. 4w times what is 36w cubed?
9w squared.
Yep, 9w squared. Now you multiply. 4w times 9w cubed is 36w cubed. -3 and 9, that's -27, and you have the w squared. From here, you change the sign. So I'm going to put a minus and make this a plus. Those cancel out. If these don't cancel, that means you did something wrong and you should start over. These canceled out too. So bring down the rest. You're just left with the -6. This is your remainder. So now your answer is 9w squared, and then your remainder. Minus 6 over what you divided by.
Do you have to? Oh wait, you can't simplify. If you can't simplify it, would you? Like say if it was 6 over 4w minus 2.
No, I wouldn't simplify it. Because you have to be able to multiply your answer by this and get back what you started out with. So if you wanted to ever check your answer, multiply your answer by what you divided by, and it should give you this. Just like in our elementary example, if you do 152 times 5, your answer, and multiplied it by 2, you should get 305. So that's how you can check if you did it right. All right. Do you guys want one more example, or do you feel good? You feel good? All right. Okay, so guys, that's the lesson for today.